experiment we obtain some data ambazo zilikuwa zinapimwa kwenye mass, kuanzia mass in gram, kuanzia 50 hadi ya 300. We obtain some data ambazo zinachorwa kwenye table of results ambapo mass inatakiwa iwe in terms of gram, time inakuwa in terms of second, time period inakuwa in terms of second, log t, log time period pamoja na log mass. Ambapo after obtaining table results, we draw a graph, and the graph was a graph of log t against log m. When we draw a graph, we must start with title, then scale, horizontal scale, and the vertical scale. Our graph is this one. After drawing a graph, we start to find step 1. We start to find a slope. So from the graph, slope m is equal to change log t over change log m. The point which you obtain from the graph (1.12) was y1, y2, and 0.25 was y1, and then 1.425 as x2 and x1 as 0.75. So our slope m is equal to negative 0.13 divided by 0.65675. So our slope m will be equal to negative 0.193, which approximately to 0.2, negative 0.2. After obtaining the slope from the graph, we return to our formula. Our formula says that t is equal to k m exponent n. Then we apply log both sides. Log t will be equal to log k plus n log m. Then log t is equal to n log m plus log k. From the formula, y is equal to mx plus c, means that m as slope is equal to n. So n is equal to negative 0.2. Then we start to find the value of k from the graph. Then from the graph, log k is equal to y intercept. Our y intercept was equal to 0.4. So log k is equal to 0.4. Then k is equal to log inverse 0.4. The value of k is equal to 2.5. As we know, our aim of experiment was to determine the unknown mass. So the unknown mass we let is equal to m. So from t is equal to k mn, we apply log both sides. Then log t is equal to log k plus n log m. Log t is equal to n log m plus log k. So from y mx is equal to mx plus c, it means that log m is equal to x intercept. When we want to obtain x intercept, y must be equal to 0. So log t will be equal to 0. Then 0 is equal to n log m plus log k. From the graph, we say that n is equal to the slope, which is equal to negative 0.2. And log k as y-intercept is equal to 0.4. So 0 is equal to n negative 0.2 log m plus log k 0.4. Then negative 0.4 is equal to negative 0.2 log m divided by negative 0.2 divided by negative 0.2 both sides. So log m is equal to 2. So m is equal to log inverse of 2. So which is equal to 100 grams. So our known mass will be 100 grams.